No one could have imagined the hottest city in the world would be frozen overnight. When all electronic devices start to fail, only he knows. The real crisis has only just begun. How is this possible? I still had 40% battery before going out. Don't doubt it. It's not that your phone is broken. It's the low temperature that freezes the ions inside the lithium battery. The lower the temperature, the slower the ions move. The weaker the output current. Then the phone system mistakenly thinks it's running out of power. So what you see in winter, sudden battery drops, lagging, even automatic shutdown. It's all real, not an illusion. It's not out of power. It's just too cold. Humans fear the cold and phones do too. I'm Dubai Repair Lion, follow me to uncover the secrets behind your phone.